how are you going to sell yourself. And during our classes on the relevant topics, few other weeks ago, I share about the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is something that most employers are using when they want to headhunting. Headhunting ni maksudnya kadang-kadang ada employer, majikan, dorang memerlukan kaki tangan dengan kadar segera to fill up specific vacancy in their organization. Kamu tidak sempat era dulu-dulu ya. Pengiklanan dibuat melalui newspaper. So bila newspaper ni employer mengeluarkan iklan kerja, then employees apply. But nowadays most of employers they want to save cost. So what happen is they go to the LinkedIn. Dorang tengok talents that can work with them. So that is the reason why when you are at the stage of looking for a job, normally kalau macam you all still in year 1 kan, tidak begitu mendesak lah. Tetapi I encourage you all to bina your profile starting from today's untuk LinkedIn ni. The strategy of profile in the LinkedIn as what I shown in the slide kita memastikan marketing of ourselves is clear, smooth and so on. So mesti ada profile picture. Profile picture tu mesti gambar yang smart. As long as kamu memakai pakaian yang sopan, kemas dan sebagainya lah. Don't take it for granted. Who knows, your luck, employees nampak kamu di tahun 1, lepas tu tahun 2 pun nampak kamu look professional like that. And finally your third year. So dia akan tengok your previous record. So it is easily for you to get in line in the job vacancy when available. Okay, and then ada about tu is about you, a little about yourself. Content, as I said last time, try to share good notes, share by others. The impression on you will be built until you go for job. And don't forget networking. During our class last Friday, I share with you that it is okay for you to PM private message any important person in the LinkedIn, potential employers. Show your interest about their organization. Lama-lama dia akan identify you. Bila you nampak CEO, good employer post something in their wall, you like it, comment sikit. So they will alert about you. So bila masa sampai, somehow the person will remember you. So make full use of LinkedIn.